times on choke. Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and glad to have you with us. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Caesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. It's a little breezy this morning. Just look past that. But I want to share with you something that's amazing with this saw and all the stuff that I run that runs on a gas-powered motor. This little rig right here I bought, this Echo pole saw. I bought it pretty much directly after Hurricane Sally hit down here, and you can look that up if you want, and I'll put the date in there on when that was, but it was close to 5 years ago. The fuel that's in here, I ran it for just a little bit of time, and then I ended up buying Boomzilla, if you guys remember Boomzilla. And I didn't use it much after that, but the fuel has been in there since then. So we're talking, I don't know, 4 to 5 years that fuel has been in that little rig right there. Let me show you something. We'll hit the primer and choke, usually 2 times on choke. Now, I wasn't sure if it was going to start, but I've got faith in what I do here, and it did. It started the same exact way when I bought it new, and as you can see by the fuel in it, it's about right here on the tank. How does it smell? Smells like regular gas, no rancid smells. How did I get that to do that? Let me share that with you right now. And I'll tell you this, there's not a vehicle on this property, there's not a lawnmower on this property, there is not a motorcycle on this property that I do not do and use that product in it. My motorcycles sometimes sit for 2, 3, 4 weeks before I can get a chance to ride them, and I've never had an issue. They'll sit all winter, I'll fire them up probably once a month, once every 6 weeks, and they run like a top. I've never had varnish in anything that I've ever taken apart. Folks, I'm telling you, it's worth the money. Put the stuff in your fuel, put it in your gas tanks, put it in your gas cans, everything you can think of. And as we always say, don't be a schmuckle, and Mr. Know-It-All out.